what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I sound like this because I just got up and right now it's 9:45, 9:50, and I have a appointment at doctor's at 10:30, so I am kind of running late. So the thing is, I have not got my period since 4 months. The last time I got my periods was March. So I'm going to doctor's today because I have been trying to get the appointment, but I was not getting due to lockdown and all that stuff. But then आज finally मिला, so right now I'm going to the doctor's. Of course, I'll take you guys with you. अभी तो I'm going down and getting ready, so I'll see you guys. Bye. I'm at the doctor's right now, and I'm not recording openly because I don't know. I'll see you guys later. Guys, so right now doctor से बात हो गया and he has asked me to do some scanning and he asked me if I'm physically active ये वो तो and after that he said like I hope you guys can hear me, otherwise I'm going to put subtitles. So the doctor has asked me to do a scanning for, like, he said that it may be hormonal imbalance or something like that. So for that I have to go do scanning. So abhi I'm waiting and I have to drink like 1 liter water for the scanning. So yeah, I think I will see you guys directly at home now.
हमें को हाँ वो हाँ वही तो उसके लिए मैंने बोला कि खास बोलने
Tired drinking
बोलने
water.
ऐसे नहीं बोलने वाला मिलिंद भाई को बोल सकते हैं बाकी किसी को नहीं बोलेंगे मिलिंद भाई को बोल सकते हैं ओके 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 थैंक यू बाकी उधर सब ठीक है
And I am home. So I came back home an hour and half back, but मेरे को असाइनमेंट था और मैंने खाना भी खा लिया, मतलब मैंने खाना खाया उसके बाद आई हैड टू सबमिट एन असाइनमेंट बिफोर 3, तो मैंने वो कर लिया एंड राइट नाउ इट्स 3:05 एंड मेरे को याद है कि वीडियो बाकी है करना एंड आई हैव टू अपलोड इट टुडे इटसेल्फ. So I thought I will talk to you guys. I mean, I will do a proper video, you know. So the thing is, after scanning, he the reports that came, he said that my ovaries has polycystic, that is basically PCOD. I mean PCOD problem. So for that he has given me medications and it is for like 3 tablets 5 days, and like there's this medication that I have to take, and then after that I have to wait for a week, and probably in that week I will get my periods on like around 13th 14th August. I should get my periods. I'll keep that update. I mean, I'll keep you guys updated. And to all the women out there, I am going to put a article of PCOD in the, I'll put the link of that article in the description box below, so please go and check that once. So basically the symptoms of PCOD is obesity, that is you start gaining weight without any reason. Like without any reason I mean लाइक आप ज़्यादा बाहर का नहीं खा रहे हो, आप बहुत हेल्थ कॉन्शियस हो या बहुत डाइट कॉन्शियस हो या एनीथिंग लाइक दैट, बट स्टिल यू लाइक डाइट कॉन्शियस तो नहीं बट हेल्थ कॉन्शियस हो, बहुत जंक नहीं खाते हो, तो भी अगर आपका वेट बढ़ रहा है तो दैट कुड बी वन रीज़न. सेकेंड इज़ ऑफकोर्स मिसिंग पीरियड्स फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम. तो इफ़ यू see the symptoms in you, I request you guys to go and check it, because if it is in initial stages, so curing it is like very easy. You can take medications and it will be online, like it will come regularly, the periods will be regular again. But agar it's, you know, like a very like second third stage kind of thing, then it becomes kind of difficult to, you know, it's not, I'm not saying that it's not curable, but then it will become a permanent medication thing. Like you will have to take medications compulsory ye wo. So if you don't want that, then I would recommend that you guys go and check it out, like go and check with their doctors. And yeah, so basically for the people who don't know what PCOD is, the PCOD is basically polycystic ovary, shit, I forgot the full name. It's basically polycystic ovary syndrome. So it is also called PCOC and PCOD. So PCOD is polycystic मेरे को ये बोलते बोलते मेरे लिए टंग ट्विस्टर जैसा हो गया. सो इट इज़ पॉलीसिस्टिक ओवरी डिसीज़ और पॉलीसिस्टिक ओवरी सिंड्रोम. PCOC PCOD दोनों एक ही चीज़ है. तो इट इज़ बेसिकली अ hormonal disorder that affects 1 in 10 women. It refers to a condition when a woman has a number of small cysts in the ovaries, and due to this the condition can trigger to diabetes, infertility, acne and excessive hair growth. तो acne तो you can see मतलब skin की लगी पड़ी है. And I didn't have excess like मतलब that is acne is also a symptom. Okay, तो वो है. And then other symptoms for PCOC or PCOD are like you may experience menstrual disorder, weight like overweight, weight gain, फिर स्किन में ऑयली स्किन हो जाती है, एक्ने हो जाता है, इनफर्टिलिटी, डार्क पैचेस ऑफ स्किन इन फोल्ड एंड स्किन फोल्ड में जो यहाँ जो अपनी स्किन फोल्ड होती है वहाँ पे क्या लिखा है, डार्क पैचेस हो जाता है. एंड यू फील डिप्रेस्ड एंड यू डोंट फील योर सेल्फ. मूड स्विंग्स होता है. तो इट इज़ बेसिकली लाइक पीरियड्स, प्री पीरियड्स थिंग, क्रैम्प्स वगैरह. या तो देखो अगर पीरियड के वाइज अगर आप सिम्टम्स देख रहे हो तो मेनिस्ट्रुअल में क्या होता है, अबनॉर्मल मेनिस्ट्रेशन, एब्सेंस ऑफ मेनिस्ट्रेशन, हैवी मेनिस्ट्रेशन, इरेगुलर मेनिस्ट्रेशन, शॉर्ट एंड लाइट और जस्ट स्पॉटिंग. तो मेरे को हुआ था ऑलरेडी मार्च में, बट सिर्फ आई गॉट लाइक ओनली 1 day एंड इट वॉज लाइक वेरी लाइक जैसे बोलते हैं 5th day पे कैसा होता है फ्लो, वैसा था ऑन 1st day. एंड इट हैपन ओनली फॉर अ डे, बट तब मैंने उतना ध्यान नहीं दिया. एंड देन 1 month मेरा स्किप हुआ तो तभी आई डेंट टेक केयर ऑफ इट बिकॉज आई थॉट कि 1 महीना तो इज़ नॉर्मल. बिकॉज सम डॉक्टर दैट आई हैड गॉन टू इन व्हेन आई वाज इन मुंबई बैक, तभी द डॉक्टर हैड टोल्ड मी कि 1 month इज़ रेगुलर, इट्स नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट. तो या बट आई वुड सजेस्ट कि अगर 1 month भी स्किप हो रहा है तो डोंट गो, जस्ट वंस विजिट द डॉक्टर. या तो आप होम रेमेडीज़ करते हो तो होम रेमेडीज़ भी कर सकते हो. आई एम गोना पुट अ इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल ऑफ माई भाभी, लाइक शी इज़ अ न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट, एंड if you have any queries she can help you. I'm personally taking her help. like मैंने आज ही उनसे बात किया, talked about everything and she gave me like many suggestions, so I'm gonna take care of that. So I will put her Instagram in the link below. You can go talk to her अगर कोई queries है या कुछ भी है, she will definitely help you. For the women, for all the women who like do not remember that period dates, ऐसे कोई है, क्योंकि मेरे साथ होता था, मैं भूल जाती थी. माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड यूज़ टू रिमाइंड मी बट मैं भूल जाती थी, उसको याद रहता, मेरे को याद नहीं रहता था. तो देन व्हेन आई शिफ्टेड आई वाज लाइक शिट, अब कौन मेरे को याद दिलाएगा. तो आई डाउनलोडेड अ ऐप दैट इज़ फ्लो करके. तो there are actually many apps on Play Store and App Store. You can go and download them and put all your data. So they give you some like, that is the one I use is Flow, and it's really really good. I will put the picture of that app somewhere here. It's not a promotion or anything like that. I'm just saying because it's really good app and I use that app. तो आप वो कर सकते हो. सो दैट विल ट्रैक, इट इज़ फॉर प्रेगनेंसी ऑल्सो, लाइक उसमें मोड है, तो यू कैन डू दैट ऑल्सो. एंड या प्लीज़ डू टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ. टू एवरी वन आउट देयर, नॉट ओनली वुमेन बट मैन ऑल्सो, प्लीज़ टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ. बिकॉज आजकल कुछ ठीक नहीं चल रहा. तो that's it. I think that's it for the day. I think that's it for the day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay home, stay safe, be hamisha. Bye. Why do I forget this every time? Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon down there so you will be notified every time I come up with a new video. And please go and check out my bhabhi's page. She's a very good nutritionist. She can really help you. I'm not promoting her page. She did not ask me or she did not pay me for anything like that, but she is really a very good nutritionist. And she like उन्होंने जब जो भी मेरे को आज तक suggest किया, it has really helped for me and worked for me. So yeah, I'll just put her IG down. Please go and check her page, and she has really good stuff on the page. So that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.